Hi guys, Rick here at Rick's Rebuilds and welcome back to another video. And today we are going to see if number one, if you should, and number two, if you can, spray paint your wheels by a rattle can. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Hopefully we can. And if you should, rattle can, spray paint your wheels. So yep, that's what we're going to do today. So story is, I replaced the wheels from the 18-inch alloys I'll put on your screen now to these ones. We picked them up in London, I think. Yeah, we picked them up near London, and yeah, they were £80, so £20 a wheel, include tyres as well. So thank you very much for that. I really do appreciate it. So big shout out to you. I don't know if you want to be on your named on camera, so you know who you are. So thank you very much. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to rattle can the wheels today. Right, we actually also need to do the rain sensor on here because for some reason it stopped working. So I pulled the rain sensor out. So you just got the conventional, 1, 2, 3 setting. And come on, guys, it's 2025. We need automatic wipers. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today as well. I believe that the rain sensor should be located, I think it should be over there. So yeah, we're going to do that today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go. Right, guys, so with every great painter in the world, preparation is, of course, key to the success. So we are going to do our best to prep it. So yeah, let's do it. We're going to give it a clean, and I've only got wire wool, so we're going to wire wool it. Also, I don't have any decking cards, so I made these little things just to put around the wheels to avoid overspray. So we're going to do that with all 4 alloys. Okay, right, let's do it. Right, okay, so we are going to prep the wheel. First I want to remove the Range Rover badge because that is relatively new. Right, okay, so I'm guessing we're just going to have to put this in here, make it pop out. I've got a couple of these blades to try and assist the situation. Or not. Oh, there we go. Right, that was nice and easy. So, I'm going to give it a clean. I have already pre-cleaned this. And yeah, give a bit of a rough up with the wire wool. Preparation is key, obviously. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, so 80 quid for 4 wheels, and the tyres are okay as well, so they're a little bit low, but they're okay. So yeah, 20 quid a tyre, can't go wrong, can you? Right, we're going to put these things around it now, and let's just hope for the best. A wise man once said, "Does my genius know no bounds?" And even though, I mean, come on. Right, guys, so that's that done. And okay, we're just going to move on straight to the spray paint now, I guess. So let's see how it works. Also, I don't really want to get my brake disc as well. So I guess we just have to be careful. So here we go. Right, so I'm guessing we just give it a bit of, light. Some of this, yeah. Right, okay. Well, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Obviously, it's still wet. But if you look, that's not too bad, is it? I mean, come on. And it's a lot easier than these. We'll see how it looks when it dries, obviously. But so far, I think that's all right. Right, now we just need to do all the other wheels. Right, guys, I mean, come on. Credit where credit is due. I mean, they don't look too bad, do they? Have a look at this, look. Actually, look closer. I don't think that is too bad. So, the question is, can you rattle can your wheels to an okay standard? Yes. Yes, you can. Should you? Well, that's up to you. But I mean, you know, 20 quid a wheel, yes. I mean, £200 a wheel, probably not. But yeah, I mean, for 20 quid a wheel, you can't go wrong, really. Right, so I now need to crack on to do the rain sensor. Also, I need to start taking my dog out more, so I need to convert the back seats. So I'm going to put like a bit of wood over it or something like that. So yeah, we'll do that as well. Okay, right, let's crack on to the rain sensor now. If ever got the video so far, please like, comment, and subscribe. Right, let's jump inside the Range Rover. Right, guys, hopefully you can see me right now. So the rain sensor is located in here. So I now need to fiddle around with it and change it for this one. So wish me luck. Just had a thought. We obviously can't test it today because it's not raining. So let's just change it. Now, I'm not one to complain about second-hand parts. And I'm not going to complain about this one. But it's in an old rag. And the wreck. Smells like paint. Right, let's plug her in. And then do you just mount out? I don't know. That feels like it's pretty in. So the real test to be when it rains, I guess. Jeez, I'm sweating. Well, that was an experience, but it's in. It's in. So, well, it doesn't rain now. Right, okay, let's crack onto the back, where we can convert it to like a German Shepherd friendly area. And yeah, right, okay, let's do that one. Right, okay, so as of right now, this is not a German Shepherd friendly area. So I'm going to put the car seats down here and then maybe put a board of wood along here. So you have the whole of the back area. Because at the moment, he doesn't actually like getting in the car. I don't know why, nothing's happened. But yeah, so we're going to try and make it a positive environment. Be the Rick Rebuilds pup. So nothing fancy. I'm just going to move these down here. Like so. My children's coats down there. I don't really want to cover up the aircon because, as many of you probably know, German Shepherds do get quite hot. So I don't want to cover up the aircon. This car seat, might have to move this one out altogether. Right, we'll see if he likes it. Hopefully he does. Put the nice aircon on here. Right guys, so far so good. I'm going to try and get him in the car. Oh, he's realised. He's realised. Come on. Right, I'm getting the car. I'm getting the car. I'm getting the car. Oh, look at the car. You love the car. Come on. Oh, come on, get in the car for me. You gonna get in the car? Oh, yep, so this is what we have to do. Oh. Right. Okay, there we go. You're in the car. Right, guys. I think that's a success. What we got here, anyway. Oh, we just take him to the local park in Billericay. He seems to like that, bless him. So yeah, there we go. So guys, if ever you like these videos, please like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, me and Mr. German Shepherd will see you on the next one. Next week I need to take the front front bumper off. And yeah, we need to kind of repaint that front bumper as well and put a proper light panel on it. So yeah, if ever like guys, please like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Right, see you later. Bye bye.